Welcome to our exploration of 5G and the Internet of Things. Today, we'll discover how fifth-generation wireless networks are revolutionizing the way billions of devices connect and communicate. 5G represents a massive leap forward in connectivity, enabling the Internet of Things to reach its full potential. From smart homes to autonomous vehicles, from remote healthcare to intelligent factories, 5G is the backbone that makes these innovations possible. Let's dive into this exciting technology that's reshaping our world. 5G stands for fifth-generation wireless technology, and it's far more than just a faster version of 4G. 5G delivers download speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, which is 100 times faster than 4G networks. But speed is just the beginning. 5G operates with ultra-low latency, meaning response times as low as 1 millisecond. To put this in perspective, that's nearly instantaneous communication. Perhaps most importantly for the Internet of Things, 5G can support up to 1 million devices per square kilometer. This massive connectivity capability is what makes 5G the perfect foundation for the Internet of Things revolution. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity that enables them to collect and exchange data over the Internet. Think of your smart home devices like intelligent thermostats, security cameras, and voice assistants. In industry, IoT includes manufacturing equipment, inventory sensors, and automated systems. Connected vehicles communicate with traffic infrastructure and other cars. Wearable devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches monitor your health. In agriculture, sensors track soil conditions and automate irrigation. Healthcare uses IoT for remote patient monitoring and smart medical devices. These billions of connected objects are transforming every aspect of our lives. While IoT exists today, 4G networks simply cannot handle the demands of billions of connected devices. 4G networks suffer from congestion when too many devices try to connect simultaneously, leading to slow speeds and unreliable connections. Latency is another critical issue. 4G networks have delays of 30 to 50 milliseconds, which might seem fast, but it's far too slow for applications like autonomous vehicles or remote surgery where split-second decisions matter. 4G can only support around 4,000 devices per square kilometer, nowhere near enough for smart cities with millions of sensors. Additionally, older networks drain device batteries quickly, making it impractical for IoT sensors that need to operate for years without battery replacement. These limitations clearly demonstrate why IoT needs 5G to truly flourish. 5G brings several revolutionary features specifically designed for IoT deployments. Network slicing allows operators to create multiple virtual networks on a single physical infrastructure. Each slice can be customized for specific IoT use cases with dedicated bandwidth, latency, and security requirements. Edge computing processes data closer to the devices instead of sending everything to distant cloud servers, reducing latency from seconds to milliseconds. 5G offers enhanced reliability with 99.999% uptime, crucial for mission-critical applications like healthcare and industrial automation. The massive machine-type communication feature supports millions of low-power devices in dense areas such as stadiums, factories, and urban centers. These capabilities make 5G the ideal platform for the next generation of IoT applications. 5G unlocks revolutionary IoT applications that were previously impossible. Autonomous vehicles can now communicate with traffic systems, other vehicles, and pedestrians in real time, making self-driving cars safer and more efficient. Smart cities integrate intelligent traffic management, optimized waste collection, efficient energy grids, and enhanced public safety systems, all working together seamlessly. Remote surgery becomes a reality as doctors perform operations from thousands of miles away using robotic arms with haptic feedback and zero lag. Smart factories coordinate robots, machines, and sensors in real time, predicting maintenance needs before equipment fails and optimizing production efficiency. These applications are just the beginning of what 5G and IoT can achieve together. Agriculture is experiencing a transformation thanks to 5G-enabled IoT precision monitoring, uses networks of soil moisture and nutrient sensors, weather stations for climate control, drones for crop health imaging, and early detection systems for pests and diseases. Automation brings autonomous tractors and harvesters, intelligent irrigation systems that water only when needed, automated feeding in livestock farms, and robotic fruit picking and sorting. Data analytics provides farmers with real-time yield predictions, resource optimization insights, market trend analysis, and supply chain integration. The sustainability benefits are remarkable. Water conservation improves by 30 to 50%, fertilizer waste decreases significantly, carbon emissions are reduced, and crop yields increase by up to 20%. 5G is making farming smarter, more efficient, and more sustainable. Healthcare is being revolutionized by 5G and IoT technologies. Remote patient monitoring uses wearable devices to continuously track vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels, alerting doctors instantly to any concerning changes. Telemedicine reaches new heights with high-definition video consultations that have zero lag, enabling doctors to diagnose and treat patients remotely with the same quality as in-person visits. Emergency response improves as ambulances equipped with 5G connectivity send patient data to hospitals in real time, allowing medical teams to prepare before the patient arrives, saving critical minutes. Smart medical devices like connected insulin pumps, pacemakers, and medication dispensers automatically adjust treatment based on real-time patient data and artificial intelligence analysis. These innovations are making healthcare more accessible, efficient, and effective. Despite the tremendous benefits, 5G and IoT face several important challenges. Security is a major concern because billions of connected devices create numerous entry points for cyberattacks and data breaches. Solutions include end-to-end encryption, regular security updates, and network slicing for isolation. Privacy issues arise because IoT devices collect massive amounts of personal data, raising concerns about surveillance. Strong data protection regulations, user consent protocols, and anonymization techniques help address these concerns. Infrastructure costs present another challenge, as deploying 5G networks requires significant investment in new towers, equipment, and fiber optic cables. Gradual rollout, shared infrastructure, and government-private partnerships can help manage these costs. Standardization remains an issue as different manufacturers use incompatible protocols, making device integration difficult. Industry-wide standards adoption and open-source platforms can improve interoperability. The future of 5G and IoT is incredibly exciting. Experts predict 75 billion connected IoT devices by 2030, creating a global IoT market worth $1.5 trillion. Already, researchers are developing 6G, the next generation of wireless technology. Artificial intelligence integration will enable intelligent decision-making at the edge, making devices smarter and more autonomous. Holographic communications and immersive experiences will become commonplace. Fully autonomous cities will operate with zero human intervention, managing traffic, energy, waste, and services automatically. Universal IoT connectivity will reach remote and rural areas, bringing technology benefits to everyone. Sustainable technology will advance with energy harvesting, IoT devices that power themselves from their environment. The combination of 5G and IoT is not just improving existing systems, it's creating entirely new possibilities we're only beginning to imagine. Thank you for joining us on this journey through 5G and IoT technology.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.